Looking good is feeling good, and the best way to look good is by glowing up. The way you want to glow up should be done in a systematic way. There are hundreds of different ways you can improve yourself, both physically and mentally. And in this video, we'll break it down for you in a way that will give you a proper roadmap to looking and feeling your best. To begin, we will break down your glow up journey into two categories: long-term wins and short-term wins. Not everything you do will give you instant results. For example, one of the most important parts of this glowing up is hitting the gym, but it can take weeks and months for you to see results. This is a long-term win. A short-term win is something that's going to instantly give you results, like getting a haircut that suits you. With that said, let's begin our ultimate guide to glowing up. Long-term wins. Number 1 on our list is, of course, exercise. Nothing will make you look and feel better like hitting the gym, but we're not going to tell everyone they should begin a journey to looking like a bodybuilder. Some of you might prefer a slim look, others with a bit of tone, like a soccer player, and a percentage of you will want to start a serious weightlifting routine to get jacked. Whatever your preference, all of these can be achieved with exercise. Number 2 on our list is diet. If exercise is planting the seed, diet is watering that seed. We're not dietitians, so we like to keep it simple. Eat your fruits and veggies for the health and skin benefits. Eat enough protein to keep and gain muscle. And eat enough carbs to have energy to do what you need to do for that day. Number 3 on our list is cutting out bad habits. These are habits that are holding you back, and you know exactly which ones you need to break. Some of the most common ones being staying up way too late and not getting enough or getting too much sleep. This will make you look tired, pale, and give your face an inflamed look. Not very attractive. Combine this with other bad habits like fast food, and you're on the quick track to glowing down. Number 4 on our list is skincare. Starting a skincare routine is paramount to glowing up now and aging gracefully. When starting a skincare routine, you want to start very simple. A cleanser for washing your face, a moisturizer to keep your face moisturized, and sunscreen whenever you're in the sun, because the sun is what causes fine lines, wrinkles, and spots. Before we hop into the short-term wins, if you like this type of video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and comment what videos I should create next. Now enough talking. Let's hop into the short-term wins. We just covered some of the long-term wins and habits for glowing up. Now it's time to go into some short-term wins, stuff you can do right now to look better. Number 5 on our list is a grooming routine. You should have a routine where you take care of all your grooming needs at least once a week. This grooming routine can include things such as trimming, shaving your facial hair, plucking your eyebrows, clipping your nails, etc. One day out of the week, you should spend some time taking care of the small stuff. Number 6 on our list is to avoid the dreaded dry lips. Nothing is less attractive than having crusty lips. Here is a simple way to avoid it. Always grab your toothbrush and use it to brush the dry skin off your lips. I buy an extra toothbrush just for this. Number 7 on our list is oral hygiene. Making sure your breath is always in tip-top shape is essential. This requires more than just brushing your teeth. Get yourself a tongue scraper, floss, and the TheraBreath mouth rinse. With these together, you will always have fresh breath. Number 8 on our list is upping your style. This could mean opting to go for a new aesthetic, which we have a lot of videos on. Changing up your style to something more modern, accessorizing with jewelry, etc. This one is really up to personal taste and will require some research on your own to find out what style suits you. Number 9 is to get a hairstyle that complements your jawline and makes it look sharp. To learn more about how to get a sharp jawline to make the ladies go crazy, click the video on the screen and watch our tutorial on how to get a sharp jawline. Trust us, it's worth it.